is minus sine 2x, and then chain rule 2, plus 3 e raised to power 3x, then chain rule 3, minus sec square x is 2 sec x into differentiation of sec x, which is sec x into 10x. So after solving all these, we get this as the expression. Next is d square y by dx square at x is equal to 0. We substitute x is equal to 0 and we get the final result as 9. Then d square y by dx square at x is equal to pi. We substitute x is equal to pi and we get 9 e raised to power 3 pi, as sine 2 pi is 0 and tan pi is also 0. Then we need to find triple derivative. So it is derivative of the double derivative. So we solve it as d by dx and we substitute d square y by dx square, which is given here. So we just substitute the value, minus 4 sine 2x plus 9 e raised to power 3x minus 2 sec square x into 10x. So initially we'll find derivative of the first term. It is minus 4. Differentiation of sine 2x is cos 2x, and then we apply chain rule into 2, plus 9. Derivative of e raised to power 3x is e raised to power 3x into 3, then minus 2. We need to find differentiation of sec square x 10x. We use chain rule over here. So we can say that initially differentiate sec square x, which is 2 sec x, into differentiation of sec x, which is sec x into 10x into 10x, plus sec square x as it is, and 10x differentiation is sec square x. So after solving all the question, we get this as the answer. So these are the various solutions for this. Let's solve another question. Suppose we are being given y as x raised to power 4. First question is we need to find y at x is equal to 0. So just substitute 0, we get y as 0. Then we need to find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be differentiation of this, which is 4x cube. Then dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1, we get dy by dx as 4. Then double derivative. So differentiating dy by dx again, we get 12x square. Then d square y by dx square at x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1, we get 12. Then triple derivative. So differentiation of 12x square is 24x. So in this way you have seen that we have solved a lot of questions. You see 9 and 6, 15 questions within a span of 4.5 minutes. So that is a testing mechanism of whether you are preparing with the right thinking process or not, because JEE and NEET exam are problem solving skill oriented exam. So if your thinking pattern is aligned along with the exam, only then you can think of cracking that exam. So I hope it works for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the doubt section in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.